Shall we begin?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a cute cut crease Valentine's Day look, you know, pink and red, the basic Valentine's Day colors, but you know, a little less basic because you know, this cut crease is slaying, you know? So for those of you guys going on dates, this is cute for that, or if you single like me, then it's cute for going to the bar, floating across the room, you know, make your eyes look real sultry, make the lips red, you know, red attracts men, apparently, but who cares? Or if you just want to look cute. If you just want to look cute and it's Valentine's Day, you want to wear pink and red, or you just want to wear pink any other day, I don't know, but you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm rambling a little bit, so rather than listen to me jabber for any longer, let's just get right into this look. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with my eyebrows and my foundation already on, and I'm just gonna prime my lids, you know, so my makeup can stay on forever, all day. Also, let me just warn y'all, there are going to be some close-ups of my eyes, and I'm very aware that my eyebrows are two different shapes. I know that eyebrows are not sisters, but cousins, but seriously? I know I'm not the only one. Anyways, I'm putting the color W.O.S from the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette all over my lid, just so that my other eyeshadows will really pop. Next, I'm gonna add some of Naked 2 from the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette as well, just to deepen my crease a little bit. Alright, here comes the fun, here comes the color. I'm using the NYX Fire palette, and I'm using the color 7 or 4. I'm using both. I'm gonna put both of them in my crease, so yeah. I think I put 7 on first since it's a little bit of a brighter red, and then I really went closer to where I'm going to start my cut crease. I went in with 4 to deepen it a little bit. Please tell me you guys make faces at yourself too while you're getting ready, except my camera was there, so I guess I'm making faces at you guys, you know? Now I'm actually gonna take my concealer and make my cut crease because you can't have a cut crease without putting concealer first. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in, I believe, 3.5. Yeah. Extra. But anyway, to set my concealer, I'm just going to use W.O.S again from the Naked Basics palette. Yeah. Alright, I went through this whole big thing with my tripod and my camera. My tripod fell, my camera fell, and then I had to fix the angle. So if I'm at a different angle and it looks a little weird, I'm sorry, but yeah, okay. So let's continue with the tutorial. So for my actual lid color, I don't know the color. One second. I'm back. Okay, so the color I use is from Juvia's Place, the Saharan palette. It's called Fula. And I'm just putting that right over where I put W.O.S, leaving a slight little line in between so that W.O.S is still showing, but not like super visible. My next step is my eyeliner, and I'm just using the Juvia's Place cream liner in black and making a nice clear sharp wing. I used to be strictly a liquid eyeliner girl, but this cream liner is so good, so smooth that it kinda has changed me a little. Now I'm going to contour and highlight my face off camera. BRB. And we're back. And I'm going to use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, as I just showed. And I'm using this pink color that's in the bottom row. This palette doesn't have names, so sorry about that. But yeah, I'm just putting that on my under eye. So now for my bottom waterline, I'm going to use this Colourpop pencil liner in Swerve. And I'm also applying mascara. Now it's time for blush, and I'm using NARS Deepthroat. It's a nice mellow pink, you know? So yeah, I decided to use it. It's not showing on camera, but it's super pigmented, okay? I promise. And now I have eyelashes on. Wow, it's like magic. Anyway, now for my highlighter, I'm going to use Pink Heart in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette to go with the pink theme, you know? Peep that highlight, yes. I'm also putting a little bit of Pink Heart in my inner eyes, but it mixed a little bit with Fula, so it's like its own color. We're almost done. Now for lipstick, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint for those nice bright red lips. Yes. Gotta fluff out the puff a little bit, and I'm done. You cute. Alright guys, so this video is finito. Let me know if you guys liked it, you know? Yeah, I guess that's it. Let me know if you guys liked it, comment down below, and subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe because, you know you want to, you know? Like, let's just do it. I know you want to. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. So, yeah, besos. Bye!